My name's Natalie and I'm a mum of 3 and I'm a stay-at-home mum, got my own home business in the skincare and beauty industry. When I was pregnant with my 3rd child, at the end of the pregnancy I had really severe back problems, and that was when I was introduced to, I didn't realise that being that heavily pregnant I could have treatment through a chiropractor, and that was my first real experience with having any chiropractic treatment. The pain was horrific. That's how it was brought to my attention, because the mums at the school used to see me trying to walk into the school, taking the children to and from school, and so they said that I should try and have a treatment, chiropractic treatment. It was unbelievable. The treatment itself, because I was worried, because being so heavily pregnant, my concern was for the baby, but of course it doesn't harm the baby in any way. And the treatment was just unreal. I was strapped up as well afterwards, and it was immediate. I could walk so much easier, so much freer, and it was just the best thing. And I would have paid untold money to have got pain-free like I was from the treatment. Well, I've got a bicornate uterus, which is 2 uteruses, and in the UK with my previous 2 pregnancies, I was told by a top consultant that I would never ever have a normal delivery. My children would always be breech or back-to-back babies. That's if I didn't have to have a cesarean. And it was really stressful the first 2 times. Then obviously the 3rd time with my back problems, having the chiropractic treatment, I was told that this shouldn't be a worry, that I should be able to have a normal delivery. So the chiropractor taught me some exercises to do and treated me for that. And I actually had a normal delivery with my son, which was probably about a 20-minute delivery, whereas with the other 2, because they were back-to-back babies, they were like hours delivery, so 2 hours delivery. So yeah, unbelievable. Yes, Ashton was treated from newborn. He had silent reflux, which I'd never experienced with my other children, and to the point where he couldn't sleep on his own, on his back. The only time he was comfortable was on our chests. So I took him to the doctors, and the doctor recommended medication, which we really didn't want to go down that route. So we decided to have the chiropractic treatment, and the results were unbelievable. Not just for the reflux, but he also had a hernia in his belly button that the doctor said would take up to 18 months to disappear. And from 1 chiropractic treatment, the hernia disappeared. Oh, it was awesome. He enjoyed the treatment so much that on one of the treatments he fell asleep. Because it's done in a way where they're soothed and cuddled, and just really, and even the pulse system, light pulse system that they used, was just really obviously soothing to him. And I didn't realise that, because obviously newborns can't talk, but when the chiropractor held him upside down, he was just so out of shape, and so resulting in a lot of discomfort, and cried an awful lot. So even after 1 treatment, a lot of that pain went away. Oh, hugely, because he was a much happier baby. He slept for a lot longer. He was happier, therefore I was happier. And it just made life a lot easier and a lot better, because we didn't have to go down the route of the medication.